Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install the tempered glass screen protector on the phone. And in order to show it to you, I will use my old Xiaomi Redmi 4A phone, which I'm going to sell. And before I sell it, I have decided to install the new tempered glass screen protector in order to make this phone look nicer. Before installing the tempered glass, it is highly recommended to switch off the phone, because it can accept the call or even vibrate. So we don't need this. And the phone is switched off. This is very simple procedure, and in order to perform this we need the cotton stick, the cotton disc, the tempered glass screen protector. Before installing, it is better to put the glass on the phone in order to see how you will position this tempered glass screen protector when you will be installing it. And some cleaning alcohol in order to remove the dirt from the screen. But before installing, of course, we need to remove the old one. When removing the old glass, please be careful to avoid overbending it, because if you overbend it, it can crack and small pieces of glass can fly around and even damage your eyes. So please be extremely careful when removing the tempered glass. Just do not hurry up. Do everything as you can see, everything just like you see on the video. The old glass is removed. Now we are ready to prepare the screen for installation of the new glass. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt on the edges of the old glass which was installed before, and we are just using some cleaning alcohol. We will remove this dirt from the edges of the screen. Now you see that there is no dirt left. The main feature of installing the tempered glass screen protector is that you need to have this new glass nearby and install it as quickly as possible after cleaning the screen, because you know there is a lot of dust in the air, and in order to avoid the dust to get on the surface of the screen, you need to clean the screen from the dust and install the new tempered glass screen protector as fast as possible. Also, as you can see, there is a lot of dirt on the speaker hole, and I will clean it before installing the tempered glass screen protector, because it is much more convenient. So, as I said before, you need to install the glass on the phone as quick as possible after cleaning, in order to avoid dust to lie on the surface of the screen again. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm cleaning the screen. For cleaning the screen, I'm using the microfiber cloth, so it removes the small pieces of dust very well. I have cleaned the screen. Now I'm looking and I see that there is no dust, and now I need to install the tempered glass screen protector as fast as possible before dust lies back on the screen. I'm removing the protective film from the glass, and now I'm positioning the glass as it was at the beginning of the video. I already know how to do this. I'm just simply placing the glass on the screen surface and make some press on the middle, and as you can see, the glass is being adhered by its own. But sometimes there are air bubbles left under the glass, but nothing scary about it. Just in order to remove the air bubbles, you need just make the small lift up of the new glass just on the place where the bubble is, and as you can see, the bubble has disappeared by its own. Now, as you can see, the tempered glass is installed. There is no dust under it, and everything looks great. The customer will be very satisfied with his new phone, and I think everything should be fine with it now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next videos. Have a nice day and goodbye.